Oh, look at the heat. Burning hot outside. Today actually we had plans to meet, but I don't think this heat mate's gonna happen. Alright, what's up guys? Kaise ho? Eleanor, hope everyone is doing great. Today I'm gonna do a little bit of household work. Actually not household work, my work, basically a room ka work. You see these frames here? I got this almost 1.5 years back I think. And one girl promised me, I know you're watching, you promised me you'll give me custom paintings for these. Abhi tak you didn't give, almost 1.5 years. It takes hardly a week to do paintings, you're not doing it. So basically this is pretty useless here. I'll remove these frames, I'll put them somewhere. I'm planning to put a TV here, alright. I have an old TV, I'll show you that in a second. And also, yeah, this AC is gonna go. You guys know that it makes so much of sound disturbance for you guys as well when I'm vlogging, or also when I'm trying to listen to something on my laptop. It's so irritating, that sound. So finally, I know summer is almost over. It's May ending right now, but June, May we're gonna have monsoon and all that, but still it's gonna be humid. This room doesn't have like proper ventilation if you see everywhere. So I already ordered one AC, a split AC. Should be silent. It will be coming right there. It will take another 1 week to get delivered. Meanwhile today I took out all my toolbox and all that. I'll be fixing the TV here. I don't think I've shown you this room till now, right? This is my parents' room. Actually, this was my sister's room. Obviously, she doesn't stay here. So anyway, so this is the TV. I'm gonna put this on that wall. This is a Sony 32 inches. It's got all the capabilities. I can cast my videos. I can cast YouTube and all that. So my plan is to remove this from here and put it there because anyways, my parents are not using it. Oh, one more interesting thing I want to show you. Naisha looks exactly like me, at least now. Look at this old picture of mine. You see that? Cute Sriman. This looks like Naisha, right? And that's my cute sister. And there's one more picture here. See that? And one more picture here. Mom, sis and me. But anyways, let's start the work. And today's Sunday. Work is gonna be this. By the way, that is not 32-inch TV, that's a 42-inch TV. Okay, luckily I did not have to put any drills on the wall. There were holes already for those picture frames, so I directly mounted this. All I have to do is get the TV from there and hang it here. I thought it's gonna take more time, but I think 10 minutes, 15 minutes now. Okay, basically I need to remove the stand because I don't need to. Actually, I can put it on the table as well. I can put it on the table, right? I can even do nice editing on big screen. Man, let's put it there. So it looks good as well, perfectly centered. Great job, Sriman, great job. Now, aram se I can sit here and watch a nice TV. Chalo, pura setting ho gaya, everything is fine. I had my lunch, I had my shower and all that. TV ka setting to ho gaya, but I just realized ki hair ka bhi set karna hai abhi. I really need to go to the barber shop. My hair is looking so weird, yaar. It's growing out of control. Shape hi chale gaya pura. Anyways, now there is one small issue. Actually a big issue. Alright, all good. Now, no signal. Basically that means I don't have a proper casting device on this. You know that we need a casting device to play your YouTube videos or Netflix or anything like that. Unfortunately, I forgot about that. I don't have a casting device for this, so I'm planning to get a Google Chromecast or Amazon Fire Stick. And there is a very expensive 25,000 rupees wala 4K enabled Apple TV, which is ridiculously expensive. I don't think I'm gonna spend on that. I think I'll go for the Amazon Fire Stick. My friends told me that is a better option over Google Chromecast. Nice. finally, after almost 70 days, first time in my life after 70 days, I went to the barber shop and got my hair cut. I know people will say it is too short and all that, but it will take some time. You know, fresh cut always looks bad. Give 1 week time, it'll look fine. So this is the first change, and second major change, I got the Amazon Fire Stick. What do I play? What do I play first? Let me play my own videos. Which video should I play? My favorite. Hurray, I know what to play. My personal favorite video of this year 2020 of my videos, this one. Oh, by the way, we have Alexa, so press this. Shriman Kotaru.
Getting that from YouTube.
Oh shit. Shriman Kothari, but still the same. Oh, so Amazon suggests you can call me Shriman Kothari also. Don't call me that. Awesome. Looks so nice on the big screen here. I usually don't watch my videos on the big screen. Let me mute it. Yeah, I usually don't watch my videos on the big screen. All I see is on the laptop while editing. Once after I finish the edit, I watch it properly and then I upload it. Baad mein, once in a while, if I have some mood videos like these, I watch it in the night, put my headphones on and watch it on the mobile, but never on a big screen. So looking at all these scenes, I'm really missing it. I'm really missing rides now, man. I have to get back. Now lockdown is a little bit better, so I think we'll probably start doing rides. Only issue is hotels and accommodation, all this needs to open. Till then it's a little bit risky. And I think governments are also realizing, I don't know, I think, my feeling, maybe governments also realizing that you have to start living with it. You have to take care on your own, because see, let's stop blaming everything on the government. This is not going to happen. If something happens to me or you, we start blaming the government. Government didn't do this, government didn't do that. Of course, that is also there, but majorly forget everyone else. Start taking the blame on you. If something happens to you, you're responsible for it. So be careful. We're not still kids where people have to come and look after us. I'm talking about Corona, okay? You can start going out and all that, not for time pass. If you have like really important work and urgent work, definitely go out, do it. But then be careful, take care properly. Whenever you go out, sanitize yourself. Don't forget to wear masks like these. Yeah, that time when we went to, I remember this day, when we were starting to Kerala, people were telling us, don't go to, I mean our relations and all that, they were telling us, don't go to Kerala, right? We got the first Corona case in India, in Kerala, so don't travel. And we were like everyone else, we were not too serious about it, we did not take it seriously. Nothing happened to us luckily, but still, now we understand the seriousness of it and we are taking extra cautions when we're going out. What should be our next ride, you people tell me? Abhi far north and all we can't do. Maybe, you know, within the state or maybe neighboring states, I'm not sure. Okay, prasthudam kasepu rides ivani marchipodam. If you look at the current situation right now, the economy and all that, it's fallen so much. It's like in a very bad situation. It's gonna recover soon, don't worry about that, but right now it's taken a toll. For example, if you look at my revenue, my YouTube revenue, it has fallen to almost 50%. It's down by 50%. Never in my entire YouTube career I had that low income. I don't know till when is this gonna continue. It's little bit better now, but still not up to the mark. And not only that, inkoka pedda talkai noppi undi na mutual funds. Look at my mutual funds right now. I know I've suggested everyone to do that, which is a good thing. Even now you can start doing it. But yeah, since the last 6 or 7 years I've been investing, and this is the lowest it's ever been to. Minus 20-25% to gaya last month. Now it's still better. It's recovered a little bit. Minus 5% right now. It's recovered quite a lot. I think another 4-5 months so lagega aram se. So on the whole, Shriman Kotaru ka total assets right now is in minus. See, that's how life should be. It's okay. Sometimes positive, sometimes negative. But one thing we all have to be positive about is we at least have a nice shelter. We are all able to eat 3 to 4 times a day, taking a nice shower, having good clothes, having internet, entertainment, laptop, cameras, iPhones, games, internet and all that. Think about the migrant labor. That is like really heartbreaking. I'm not going to just sit like this and make videos. I definitely want to help. What I'm going to do is I'm trying to raise funds. I'm going to talk to my friends as well. It's not always about our accessories, our bikes and all that. I've decided to do something about this. And I know that's not going to change a lot of lives out there, but whatever I can, I will do. To start with, I'm going to talk to my friends, all my 10 friends, and ask them if they can help me with some amount so that I can donate it to a trust. This trust is very genuine. You can see their work on their social channels, and I'm not mad where I'll take my personal money and put it in some trust that I don't believe in. I know I'm a very small person, I can't do much, but whatever me and my friends can, we'll try to do. Even if we can touch at least 10 people, if we can make, not 10, we'll be doing more, but even if we can touch at least 10 lives, that's going to be great. Instead of just sitting like this and doing nothing.